The DPWH and ICI recommend that former House Speaker and late Representative Martin Romualdez and former Congressman Zaldico be charged with plunder. Isaiah Mirafuentes reports.
Boxes of documents were brought by the Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH, and the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, which they submitted to the Office of the Ombudsman. The documents contain contracts worth over 100 billion pesos from 2016 to 2025 that were awarded to Sunwest Construction Company and Hightone Construction Company, which are allegedly owned by former Representative Zaldico. Also included is a sworn statement of Zaldico's alleged security aid, wherein he implicated former House Speaker Martin Romualdez and Zaldico in corruption allegations. They recommend that the Ombudsman file charges of plunder, violation of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, and direct bribery against Romualdez and Co.
Kagaya po ng sinabi ng ating Pangulo, may tiwala po tayo sa proseso, may tiwala po tayo sa ating Ombudsman, may tiwala po tayo sa ating mga korte kapag ito ay umabot na sa kanila. At ito po ay mga facts, mga dokumento.
But DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon explained why the details mentioned by Zaldico in his series of online videos were not included in the documents they submitted.
We cannot include statements that are not sworn. That is the most important difference. Kaya, ang na-include lang namin, yung mga sinumpaang mga sinabi. At yung pong Facebook video ni former Congressman Zaldico, hindi po yun sinumpaan.
According to Dizon, he is leaving it to the Office of the Ombudsman, the task of handling the investigation against two personalities. He also didn't answer the question about the specific participation of Romualdez and Co. in the alleged anomaly.
Ayoko magsalita. Pasensya na kayo. Ayoko magsalita pa. I think the facts, the testimonies, the documents will speak for themselves. Sa aming palagay, merong basihan, no? Para dun sa tatlong recommended na kaso. Pero syempre, yan ay hindi namin trabaho. Ang trabaho namin ay magsumite. Ang trabaho ng Ombudsman ay imbestigahan ng mabuti. At siya ang magsasabi sa korte, ano ba ang kaso na ifa-file.
This is the second referral from the DPWH and the sixth from the ICI. And all of these documents will undergo the Ombudsman fact-finding process.
Sabi ng Pangulo ito, at tuloy-tuloy na po ito. Wala pong sasantuhin ang gobyerno, wala pong sisinuhin. Base lang po sa ebidensyang ating makakalap kung saan po tayo dadalhin ng ebidensya, doon po tayo pupunta.
Medyo natagalan dahil bagong ICI, we had to start from ground zero, walang budget, walang tao, most volunteers.
They also ask for the public's patience, assuring that no loopholes will be found in the evidence they will submit. According to the Campo former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, he remains confident in facing the ICI probe, voluntarily appearing and not leaving the country. He added that in all the hearings, there has been no sworn and credible evidence linking him to any anomaly, and his conscience remains clean. Romualdez also entrusts everything to the Ombudsman in hopes for a fair and complete investigation that will reveal the truth. Meanwhile, according to the Office of the Ombudsman, the filing of charges against former House Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Representative Zaldico will be based strictly on evidence.
We have to look at the contents of the recommendation and the attached documents so we will know how to act on the matter. Kasi everything is evidence-based.
They will determine during evaluation whether the case needs further build-up or a preliminary investigation.
Evaluation muna, titingnan namin yung contents, fact-finding, and fact-finding if there are things that are needed para pwede namin i-subject sa preliminary investigation. Kasi nga, kung hilaw ang kaso, kailangan muna ng case build-up.
The Ombudsman also noted that the case may take days or even months to progress. They're currently hearing 14 to 15 other complaints related to the alleged anomalous flood control project. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for New in Better Philippines.